There are some cold hardy vegetables, pumpkins, and this is beetroot, I think.
Look at this.
Oh, holy shit. Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to another exciting vlog from Serbia. In today's vlog we're gonna show you some sunset at Sevica. We're also gonna do some Silver Lake drone while I'm gonna be swimming. We're gonna play mini golf, and at the end we're gonna ride some mountain bikes. Let's do it. So once you get up on this hill from Sevica, you get a nice sunset, which you don't get when you get down in the valley. Silver Lake, and I'm gonna swim for 2 hours now, so they're gonna also record me with a drone if they don't see me in 1 hour. And yeah, so I'll see how is the water. Let me see the temperature.
Cold?
It's a bit cold, but can deal with that. So yeah, adventure continues. Here we go.
I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
Bye!
Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
Before I would just go out and swim for about like 1 hour, I would be thinking, but in reality it will be much longer because every time you swim the time just goes so much faster. And now I'm wearing the GPS Garmin watch, so I know exactly how much time I'm away. But even then, if you see, there is a strong wind now, so on the way there I was swimming pretty fast, but on the way back it would take me much longer because there will be waves splashing in my face and the current would be much stronger. So if you know that there is a wind, just know that on the way back it will take you and maybe even twice as long.
Just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
And here we are playing some mini golf at a Silver Lake, which is a lot of fun as well. After finishing with mini golf, we got this awesome sunset with Silver Lake. Nya likes to train the yoga and Zgubil likes to cuddle. And here we are on another mountain bike ride on the hills near Kučevo. We just found these 2 mushrooms, so they're still growing like no tomorrow. We just found them on the road. There must be more around somewhere. Animals are friends, not food.